question? My name's Seth. My name's Silken.
This is Isabella. We are making magical food sandwich.
What you need is a can opener, colander, mixing bowl, knife and cutting board, stirring spoon, and measuring. You need 20 ounces canned pineapple pieces. You will need 1 pound of seedless grapes. 2 bananas, 1 3/4 cup lower fat. 2 bananas, 1 3/4 cup low fat milk. 1 piece of sugar-free pudding. Wash your hands and cooking area. Clean the tops of canned food items before opening.
We wash pineapple. And we're going to wash the pizza.
We're gonna wash, peel, and slice the bananas into bite-sized pieces. You will sprinkle pudding mix over the food. That was not enough.
Pudding.
That's a lot of pudding.
Next, pour the milk over fruit and pudding mix.
Table all the way up to the 8. Easy.
Yes. Okay. Slowly stir the fruit mixture behind and then wait about 5 minutes to mixture set. Slowly stir the fruit mixture until blended. The salad is best when eaten as soon as it's ready. It only takes 10 minutes to make.
Tasty, just disappear like magic.
You might need to take another. You would serve it on a plate and garnish with whipped cream.